Yes, we are on the job. We have already given the direction to all the district commission, all the deputy commissioners to crack down wherever they suspect or wherever they receive inputs that they should be arrested immediately. A task force or what? Task force we do already. See, if you talk about the district task force, that we already have. The district task force about even about about this finding out people who comes to the state, who stays in different district. That district task force is already there under DMRSSA Act, which was passed then, and even this district task force is operationalized, and we do have this district task force. But as far as the illegal foreign migration is concerned, we already directed all the district magistrate and the DCs to crack this and put this on priority basis. Act is being followed strictly.